When I was working at the hospice, I was a nurse and at the bedside, actually in the inpatient unit. I finished as a nurse by the bedside, and then I just helped with the bereavement service for a number of years. The ambassador work I really enjoy because I can go out there and actually explain to people. I've worked as an employee for Florence Nightingale, and also I am a volunteer, and I've also been a user as well, because my husband needed the help from my colleagues towards the end of his life. I'm quite involved with the Tree of Light because that is a natural progression of what I used to do when I was working, because of my involvement with the bereavement service as well. I help at events like the beer festival. I will be on registration, or I will be on raffles or whatever. Bake cakes for any occasion. The things that I enjoy best about volunteering is just being involved, meeting all sorts of people in all sorts of situations, laughing with people, crying with people, whatever's going on. The number of people that have been helped in the hospice, in the community, it's such a family orientated charity in that respect.